everyone, this is Lilian. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell from the title that it's gonna be a tutorial video on how to do DIY chunky clay rings. Did I get that right? Things that you need for this project, number one is definitely clay. I got it online, this one from Lazada. It comes together with tool itself, different color, got all kinds of color. And then if you wanna choose your own color, like you want a particular color, you can also get it from Spotlight, this brand, Sculpey. It's a good brand, but it's quite expensive. One is 8 ringgit, expensive for a clay. You need a rolling pin to flatten up your clay, and then glossy varnish. Okay, this one I got it from my clay project, so that's why I'm using this. But if you don't have, you can always use nail polish, a clear nail polish, just to make it, like, you know, have that glossy look. So I might want to use that for this project, but I can't find where's my glossy nail polish. And then you need your oven, and the last but not least, you need your hand, your finger. Your finger is very important. If you want to measure, of course your ring will be on your finger. You want to measure, you just can measure like any finger. All right, I'm going to show you guys a bit of tips and tricks and how you want to do, like, few different styles that you can actually do it. And then other than that, you just can be creative and just try to mix around with all your clays, and, you know, to make it however that you like it. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Use this Sculpey, so much better. We are finally done with baking. So 15 minutes in the oven, and then I let it cool down for 10 more minutes. And right now it's already cooled down and it's hardened ready. It looks so nice, right? I like it. I really love it. It's so funky, it's so nice. I did only a few today because I kind of rushed. So this one, you see, I don't know which finger I actually, was it this one? Yeah, this finger. Some of it I don't want it to be like glossy, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But if you want, you can always use a clear nail polish. This one is from H&M. I'm just gonna do it like just a few of it. Okay, so let's do this. So yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. DIY chunky clay rings. The rest is still here. I'm waiting for it to dry. I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys can follow my tutorial, and once you try doing it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. And if you are so lazy to do this whole thing, you can always get it at lele.studio. I'm only selling it for RM6 ringgit. So yeah, DM me your orders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.